Let's add some items to the screen of our app. Over on the left-hand side, we have the project browser. Click main.storyboard, and this shows you all of the graphical elements of our app. So this main box here is called a view controller, and it is the first screen that our users see when they fire up the app. And what we can do is drag some elements into there. So on the bottom right-hand corner, drag this object browser up. If you can't see it, click this button called Show the Object Library. Scroll down, and the first thing we want to add is an image view. So let's drag that into the frame. Now we can see what this looks like on an iPhone 6. Right at the top, click View Controller, and under Size, click iPhone 4.7 inch. If you can't see this menu, right just above it, you have a Show the Attributes Inspector button. You'll need to click that. Drag the image view over to the corners, and then drag the corners to the sides of the screen. So I'm just going to scroll this down here. Then, right at the bottom, with the triangle, you have to add missing constraints. Because we have lots of devices of differing sizes, we need to have what's called constraints that allow us to position things on screen so they show consistently from a small iPhone 4 to an iPhone 6 Plus to an iPad and now an iPad Pro. That's why we have constraints. One final thing we have to add to this screen is a button. So let's scroll up, grab button, drag it across, and put it there. Then again, let's add missing constraints, and that will sort of pin it in place. Click button, come over to the top right, and you can change the title of this button. So I'm going to say pick ... It'll ask you for a text color, shadow color. In here, you can change many things about the button. We're going to leave it as standard. And that concludes all of the graphical elements we're going to put in our app. In the next lesson, we're going to look at how we connect these graphical elements to our actual code.